Yun, no? Alright. Manood muna tayo ng basketball ng tropa natin.
Varsity. Picture. Doon muna.
Si manager. Manager Melji. Yan, manager namin yan. Simula na mga idol. Simula na. 5,000 ang pusta. Sana pala rin tayo. Yan. Yung mga varsity natin yan. Yan. Spico Boys. Naghalo yung ibang kampanya. Anong kampanya yun? Pre? Yung sumama sa atin. Hindi namin alam kung anong kampanya. Yan o. Alright. Yan yung pinakamalupit na player namin sa Spico. Yan. Alright. Si Marlon. Practice muna yung mga tropa natin kasi bakbakan mamaya yan. Yan. Yung kalaban nila doon sa yan o. Naka white shirt. Engineer Belje.
Video pala yung kala ko picture.
Magkano yung pan? Pusta?
Posting pa po.
Simula na mga idol, simula na.
Ano simula dito muna sa inyo para hindi tayo nanghalikuhan. Wala po, kasama ka daw. That's by number 3. Yes, sir. Number 3. 2 points by number 3. Number 49. Number 49. As number 9. Astas. Number 49. Astas. Number 24. Pass number 3. Number 3. Pass number 24 again. Tinira number 3. Good, good. Foul by number 7. Number 7. Pass number 25. Again. Foul by number 24. Number 44. Magpapatay si number 44. Pass. Balik na yung number 44. To number 3. To number 24. Can't you shoot? Foul po tayo. Who's caller? Number 25. Foul. Legal use of hands. Number 25. First personal foul, number 25. First and foul, Paldemont. Number 3. Number 48. Number 38. Shoot! Nasa akin number 24. Number 24. They're good. Number 27. 27. Pass number 9. Naaga na number 44. Pass number 48. Tinira sa ilalim ng number 48. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 48. Number 3. Score is also in favor of number 3. At Gopi. Gopi. Yeah, Gopi na siya. Nasa ka number 7. Gopi. Foul by number 20. To number 44. Number 44. Vergara. To number 48. Number 48 to number 24. Good, good. Foul. Number 85. Nagbawa ng bola. 25. And to shoot. Number 9. Number 9. Foul by number 40. Number 40. Hindi na pagkakita na. Sino po po na sa ilalim ng ginagawa? 4-0 po ang score. Number 44, number 3. Yes, sir! Ganado. Tumingin pa sa kakampi. Aldo na talaga dito sa William Vergara. Mukhang si number 44 nga ang gagawa nila. Number 25. Appling violation by number 25. number 48. Assistant number 28. Last touch by number 9. Same ball po tayo. Number 3 for 3. So may foul po tayo, may masakit si number 3. Last ball, right? Hey, foul. Number 7 foul. Number 7 foul. Balik lang si balik lang. Ito yung kanina. Yes, sir. Number 2. Pinatu. Last one, number 3. Ay, hindi pa. Switch pa rin. Last one by number 3. Yes, sir. Number 3. Number 25. Number 25. Ball number 25. Wala pa pong score ang Portuguese. Nakagaw nila po 48. To Mr. William. Ako po, lumama sa puhod ng Mr. William. Ito si number 44. Mr. Vergara ng Oakland. Number 25. Number 25. Asi number 9. Si number 9. Tapos kasi. Let me shoot. Number 49. Number 49. Ika si number 49. Yes, so 2 points. Number 49. Napitasa na. Number 24. Diretso ni number 24. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 24. Number 7. As number 27. As number 9. Number 9. Number 44. As number 44. Kaya masip po ni number 25. Number 9. Kaya masip ni number 48. Number 48. Diretso. Di na pinasa. Di pa pa number 25. Number 25, hindi rin sila. Ayaw ko na mamasa. Akin na to. 2 points play. First player pa tayo. Ayan na po. Number 4. Akif. Di pa, may number 27. Number 14 to number 17. 17. To number 18. Back to number 17. Takas number 27. Number 72. Takas number 11. Yes, sir. 2 points by number. Ay, ikaw sir, pakitakal. Delikado yan. Ay, pagtuloy siya. Galit pa si Lumikan. Number 14. Si number 17. Number 14. Kaya rin sila number 14. Si Pima po number 20. Number 20 again. May foul po tayo sa ating reference. Go. Number 24 foul. Ay, number 4. There's a number 30. Yes, sir. 1 point. Number 30. Last throw by number 30. Allah. 27. Now by bonus number 27. Number 27. Kalap na po pasahan si number 27. Pass to number 72. Back to number 27. Ako nakapaganda. Kaya lang hindi na kompleto. Number 18. Last pass by number 11. Same ball. Number 72 nagbamadali. Yes sir, 2 points by number 72. 16-5. Favor of the Thunderbolts. 11 lead by the Thunderbolts. Number 14. Ako, napaganda pa. Number 15. Whip up by number 18. Sunod sa akin. Sobrang natin by Alvin Irek. Nakahuli. Number 11, foul.
Ready?
Number 17. Nice. 3 foul by number 72. Number 11. Number 11. Papatay si number 11. Double to po tayo. Tawag sa ating referee. Number 14. So, number 70. So, number 30. Last po tayo. Bola po ng Thunderbolts.
Partner!
Number 15. Number 15 again. Number 4. Good go. Can you shoot? Number 11. Make it number 11. 5, 4, 3. Okay, number 18. Number 18 ng number 8. Gusto makascore si number 18. Papa number 18. Yes, sir. Number 18. 67 po ang ating score. Favor of the Thunderbolts. Number 11. Pass to number 27. Diniretso number 27. Sinausaw pa sa kape. 2 points by number 27. Number 30 for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by number 330. Number 27, nagmamali sa number 27. Is a rebound by number 11. So number 4. Number 4 for 3. Then you shoot. Last pass. Wala po ng Thunderbolts po. Ay, Paldo Boys. Seconds. Ready to shoot. Go, go. Ready time ko na, oh. 4, 3, 2, 1. So po, at the first quarter. Let's proceed to second quarter. After 3 by the Thunderbolts. Number 25. Number 25 pass number 49. To number 25. The good. Wow, that's pass number 44. Last pass by number 44. Number 44, young Bertrand. Number 25. Number 27. Pass to number 27. Yes, sir. 3 points for number 49. Number 24, number 24. Pass to number 44. To number 48. Ready to shoot. Number 48. To the Richard, number 48. By 5 po tayo, sir. Number 27. Foul. Good shot. Number 27. First attempt. And number 40. Lugu. Last naman tayo. Example. So, 1 point for number 40. Number 49. Number 24. Number 24, pass to number 48. Nai-foul tayo nakita ng ating referee. Just foul rep. Number 24 for foul. 25. Number 25, foul. First throw by number 48. Tapos na. 19-13 ang score po natin in favor of the Pale Boys. Last throw by number 14. Rebound by number 28. Number 28. Need to shoot. Pass to number 3. To number 48. 5, 4, 3, 2. Rebound. Is it rebound by number 48? Yes, sir. 2 points by number 48. Number 49. Number 49. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Direction. Last pass. Feather box. Same ball tayo. Number 9. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Medyo rebound by number 48. Number 48 na number 9. Pass to number 44. Supply. Pass to number 9. Nagpapati sa number 9. Pass to number 25. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 25. Takpal po kasi number 25. Number 24. Nagpapati sa number 24. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 24. 9.3. I defend the ball. Number 49. Number 26. 28. Pass to number 3. Sir, marami na sila. Okay, tayo pa kayo, sir. Number 3. Yes, sir. Hi. Number 40. Bumawi sa number 44-3. I found with number 27. Foul. You shot. Number 24. Second personal foul. Number 9. Number 14. Allah. Number 14 is. Wala po ng number, wala po ng defender boys. Number 25. Asa na muna number 3. Ay, number 20. Number 44, diniretso number 44. May foul po tayo, rep. Let's go, rep. 49. Number 49 foul. Two shot. By Mr. William Bergman. First left, Mr. William Bergman. Take time. Take time. Wala pa yung pulse ni Mr. Bergman ngayon.
Wala papasok.
Pasok. Mr. Bergman. Tempo. Last pass. On the ball. Number 44. Number 40. 2 points. Number 40. 11.3. Number 49. As number 9.3. Number 44. As the number 24. Pumeke pa. Just 5. Okay, mga di pa nakalaro dyan sa lahat. Sila. Ito sa defender boys, sino pa yung nakalaro dyan? Pasok din mo, pasok na. Kailangan po lahat maglalaro. Pasok pa lahat. Lahat po dyan ha. Mga di pa nakalaro, lahat na. Yan. Kating na yan, pasok. Tulong pa lang isa, defender boys. Number 20. Number 20. As to number 12. Number 20. Iba by number 27. Sabi ko. Ng bola sa number 72. Ako, naka-intercept. Number 27. As to number 1. Kaya mawakan na naman sila ng gusto na naluwan. Selbo. Astas. Selbo. Number 23. Number 11. Naka-intercept yung number 1. Bilis si number 1. Number 1 nagpapatuloy si number 1. Diretso ko na yan. Iba by number 11. Intercept by number 28. Last touch. Number 27. Same ball po tayo. Number 27. 2 points by number 27. 89-18 ang score natin. Grupo, nakukonsin ako po sa ating defender boys. Number 11. Number 11. Nakapagpapasa si number 11. Number 11, tiniretso number 11. Good. Number 20. Number 20. So number 12. Number 12 as number 8. Number 11. Ako po, nabitawan ni number 11. Number 1. Number 1. Diretso ko na yan. Tayo na po. May foul ko na ako. Two shot. Tayo na po. Time out. Defender boys.
Ulit.
Asyo by number 1. Rebound by number 1. Wala po ng defender boys. Last touch po. Team. Sinang 7-2. Isang rebound ay ang lakas number 6. Number 6 again. Time to shoot. Ay foul po tayo. Fusion foul. Number 6. Penalty. Okay. Wala. Number 28, Asher Wood. So number 1, last pass, number 1. Wala po ng defender boys. As to this, sa ating second quarter. Second quarter na yan. Number 15, last touch, defender boys. Yo, kita din. Number 1. Number 1. Asli number 1. Number 1. Diretso na number 1. Same ball. Last pass. Defender ball. Point lead. Defender boys. Good set. Rebound. Back to number 23. Number 23. Same ball. Last touch. On the ball. Get the shoot. Back to number 27. Good. Number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Tumira sa number 12. Yes, sir. Service to 20 seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. Wala. Number 7, is a rebound for number 7. This is last violation. The ball. Number 40. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 48. So 2 points by number 40. Number 14. Number 14, Dumiscate. Number 14. Selection na number 14. At foul. Mas Marek. Number 28 foul. 2 shot. Number 14. 0. Last show by number 14. Offensive rebound by number 18. 2 points by number 18. Number 24. Oh, may foul pa tayo. Alright. Foul number 14. Number 14. Aso number 44. Number 44 to the derecho. That's a rebound by number 20. Ready to shoot. Number 3 for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. By number 3. Number 14. Aso number 7. Number 7 to the yes. That's a rebound by number 14. Number 14. Rebound by number 14. 14. Number 24. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 24. Bola sa number 17. Number 13 for 3. Yes, sir. $8.3 by the Pedal Boys. Number 3. At meron up. Number 3. Yes. Isipin ba by number 3? Number 24. 44. Foul. Foul po tayo. Baba sa baba. Number 17. Foul. Wala pinili yan. Sa baba. Alright. Number 44. As number 40. Number 48. Ready to shoot. The number 24. 5. Ready to shoot. Probably violation for 40. Walo na lang po. Kalamangan. Defend the ball. Number 17. Number 17. Pass number 34-3. Number 44. The number 40. Number 48. Nagpapalit si number 48. Zooming niya si number 44 na sa ilalim. Si number 48. Oh, good. Number 18. Ay, foul mo na yun. 2 shot. Number 24. Foul. 2 shot. Ay, number 17. Hindi pa pumutok ang ating number 44 na si Mr. Berga. Mr. William Berga. Alat pa sa itlog na maalat. Aso by number 18. Ball by number 24. Number 24. Aso. Ay, kasi number 7. Number 14. Number 14. Generation number 14. Yay! Good! Number 3. Number 3. Aso, Mr. William. Number 24. Yes, sir! Yan na. Nagkapinilay sila. Nagkapinilay sila. Number 14. Number 14. Good to shoot! That violation by number 14. Kita na mula. Number 14. Defend quick. Ay, defend the boys. 4-3, Mr. William. Pagkapungot mo talaga. Time out! Find the boys. 41. All the boys. Number 17. Aspas. Number 15. Wala po, number 2. Number 14. As number 3. Number 3. Number 24. 2 points by number 24. Ganda na nakasala ng the boys. Number 14. Number 14. Diretso na naman may foul pa sa baba. Baba. Number 4. 44. Anong bola? 44. Oh. Kaya yung sabihin down sa baba. Number 30. Number 70. Number 30 for 3. Let's go. It's a rebound by number 30 again. Rebound by number 3. As to number 48. 48. Number 44. Number 30. As to number 14. Diretso na number 14. Number 74, 2 shot by number 14. Warning for penalty, defender boys. 2 shot by number 14. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tayo. Just five po tayo, just five. Tubig. Ako ang ating pag-ibig na referee. Oo. Yan lang ang kasagutan ng ating referee na si Mr. Logo. Number 11. Number 11, relax number 11. Number 11, nakakasaan. Number 4, mahal na siya number 1. Number 1. Number 1, pass to number 9. Number 9, 2 points, number 9. $11.3. I defend the ball. Violation. Nahuli. Number 47. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. And the shoot. Pass to number 9 for 3. Yes, sir. Wala na po. Anong tawag nila? Traveling violation. Teka lang. Sandali lang. Defender ball. Dalawa na lang time out ng defender boys ha. Dalawa na lang. Sabla. One point for 6. number 12. Number 12 to number 25. Foul number 4. Penalty. 2 shot by number 25. 9-point lead, defender boys. That's so by number 25. Ang lakas number 6. Number 7. Nagpapagod sa number 7. As number 11. To number 4. Yes, sir! Number 4. Oh, 9-point lead in the boys. Number 25. As number 22. Number 12. Pass number 9. 5. This is a rebound by number 27. Rebound by number 6. To number 4. Number 4. As number 72. To number 4. Back to number 11. 10 ball. Last pass, number 1. Now to shoot. Foul number 25. Number 4. That's number 11 for 3. Last number 11-point lead to win the ball. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time at the third quarter. Number 25 to number 1. Number 1. Foul for Kyle. Alright. Number 17 foul. 2 shots by number 1. Anticipation na po tayo sa ating third quarter. First attempt. Good. Last one by number 1. Rebound by number 6. To number 7. Nasa number 4. Ganun lang. Teardrops. 3-point lead. Defender boys. Number 25 to number 9. Here, number 9. 2 points, number 9. Number 72. As number 23 for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points, number 23. Number 12. Number 25. Number 25 to number 1. Number 1. Last touch. Last touch, number 1. One minute ang natitira sa ating third quarter. 72. Seconds to shoot. Take the shoot. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 4. 11 points by number 4. 5 seconds. Number 12. Check tayo. See. Number 1. Jump ball. Bola po ng defender ball. Number 11. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. For 3, number 4. Last pass. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds remaining time sa ating third quarter. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Number 4. Iba, number 4 yan. Lakas niya number 4. Time to shoot! Tara, may number 4. Ay, foul pa tayo. Kita, let's go. Let's go, Rep. Alat talaga, bro. Foul, number 1. Two shot by number 40. First throw by number 40. Good. Last throw na tayo. Ready jumper. Yes sir, 1 point by number 40. Number 40. Number 80. Foul by number 24. Number 24. Foul by the bola si number 24. Pass to number 40. Mr. Vergara. Mr. Vergara! Good. Di pa na napipotos ni Mr. Vergara. Pass to number 14. Number 14 nagpapadali. Hindi na number 14. Good. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Dahan-dahan. Hinahinay lang. Tabang tayo. Pass to number 14 for 3. Diretso-diretso. Isa 3 pa pa number 20. Ang foul pa na. Small red. Jersey number 1 foul. Red personal foul number 1. Third team foul, the boys. Number 3. Number 3. Diretso number 3. Sorry na, maganda ka. Number 20. Very aggressive number 20. Officially by number 14. Number 14. Basket down. Push for rep. Number 24 foul. Basket down. Body shot by number 14. Body shot by number 14. Rebound by number 80. Rebound by number 24. Sa number 44. Sa Vergara nagmamadali. Sana kaso number 1. Number 1. Rebound ulit ng number 1. Si number 1. Number 1 ulit. To number 18. 2 points. Number 18. Number 40. 7 minutes 50 seconds remaining time sa ating fourth quarter. Number 20. Let me shoot. Number 28. Pass to number 3. To number 48. Yes sir. Foul tayo. So rep. Out Mr. Vergara and Mr. Pasakay. Kaya na yan. Last two. This is it. Last throw by number 20. Good. Ball by number 18. Pass to number 14. Nagpapalit sa number 14. Number 14. Rebound by number 20. Hindi nagkamadali. Akin na yan. Rebound by number 14. Two more. By number 14. Last touch, number 24. Warning pa tayo sa Paldo Boys for delay the game. Number 14 to number 1. Number 1 to number 30. Foul po tayo. Foul number 28, two shot. Then a foul number 3. Second personal foul, number 28. Two shot by number 30. Last one, number 13. Number 9. Sinaw sa susungan ni number 9. Rebound by number 72. Number 72, number 72. Pass to number 2. The number 48. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 38. I'm Paldo Boys. Yo. With number 8. Ay, nasa man. 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Number 1. Pass number 7. To number 1. Number 1. Last touch. Different ball. Same ball. Hindi nagkamo yan. Number 1 for 3. By number 72. Number 72 na oras sa number 48. Two shot. Number 48. 2 points. Number 48. 48. Number 17. Rebound three. Then number 17. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Harus membawa pasal si number 24. Number 24 didiretso na. By foul. Boss Williams, saan ka na pupunta? Ay, maraming enemy citizen by Paldo Boys. Oh. 1 point, number 24. Nagmamadali si Mr. William at may laro pa sa kabila. Iba talaga ang 2 points, 24. Iba talaga pagka Paldo Boys. Number 7. Pass number 1. Number 17. Number 27 for 3. Rebound by number 24. Allowing rebound. Number 24 by foul tayo. Alright. Number 12. Holding foul. Number 12. Oh? Penalty. Five to shoot. minutes and 8 seconds remaining time sa ating fourth quarter. Naku po, nakahuli si Sir. Labeling violation by number 40. Number 25. Nakakakabang number 27. 27 nagmamagaling, number 27. Akin na to. Okay, rebound by number 9. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 72. The number 6 to number 72. 2 points by number 72. Number 25. Number 9. Passon. Number 82. 2 points, number 18. Number 27. Pass to number 40. To number 72. To number 40. To number 11. Yes, sir. 2 points, number 11. Number 25. And pumawag number 25. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Number 14. By far po tao. Mapapagawa. Yes, foul rep. Number 6, foul. Number 6. Penalty, penalty. Penalty situation na po tayo. Both teams are penalty.
Maling tuloy.
Ang ating score ay 70-49 in favor of the Pender Boys. Castro. Rebound by number 48. Number 72. Number 72. Castro number 27. Si number 6. Ay, foul ba tayo? Tanda na ba tayo mga sir? Pasok na bukas. Foul number 27. Bilisan mo. Mapapalasa ka ni Commissioner David. Astro. Number 6. Sabi, sundin mo yung ano sinasabi. 1 point by number 6. Ayan na po, ilaw na ating ilaw natin. Yung speaker sa kapatid. Number 25. Foul, number 11. Only foul by number 11.
Penalty!
Score 49-71 in favor of the Pender Boys. 2 shots by number 25. Rest of him. One minute and 7 seconds remaining time sa ating fourth quarter. Ano yung rep? Early entry ang ating Defender Boys. Yes, sir, by number 27. Here's the shoot. Number 40. Number 72. And the shoot. Rebound by number 6. Talaga number 6. Pass number 48. For 3. A good. Last touch, the Pender Boys. 30 seconds remaining time sa ating fourth quarter. 71-51 in favor of the Pender Boys. Number 72. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds remaining time. Wala na. Proceed na, proceed.
Mamaya pupunta. Kami na mga ano.